birthday sa'yo, but this time, special kasi 18th birthday mo na, meaning nag-step forward ka na sa pagiging adult. And wish ko sa'yo, sana, good health, more birthdays to come as usual. Tsaka may God continue bless you and your family. Patuloy niyang ibigay yung desire ng puso mo at alam ko magiging doktora ka, though ang haba ng span ng pag-aaral mo, but alam ko kaya mo yan kasi lagi mo tinatrust si God. So, sobrang miss ka na namin and ang pretty-pretty mo, mana kay ate. So, happy birthday! We miss you and see you soon. Bye-bye!
Yan, happy birthday!
Yan, happy birthday! Kita-kits tayo, future doktora. Happy birthday! God bless! Bye-bye!
Happy Yan! Happy birthday!
Hi, Yan. Happy birthday. This is your Tito Armon. Happy birthday and God bless you, and I know you will be successful in your career, whatever you want to take. And take care of your mama and papa and also your little sister, brother. God bless you and happy birthday. And this is Angela Sunday.
Yan, happy birthday! Ang Ate Susan, ang Kuya Darwin, kamusta kayo dyan? Advance Merry Christmas, Happy New Year na! Sana lahat ng wish mo matupad. Wish ko good health sa pamilya ng Timbang family. Happy birthday, Yan!
Yan, happy birthday! Tsaka, for sa'yo, for birthdays to come. Kumusta si mama mo, si papa mo, yung kapatid mo, si Darley, si Karel. Sana nasa mabuti kayong kalagayan. Tama sa sana yung birthday mo. Si Uncle to Okay, bye-bye.
Staring blankly ahead, just making my way, making a way.